Hello everybody and welcome back to Digital Point. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can add a link to your Instagram bio. If you saw a couple videos ago, I gave you a tutorial on how you can set up an Instagram account, and today I'm going to follow that up with this video. I am on my profile right now, and as you can see, I haven't done a single thing with it since the previous Instagram video, so I'm going to go ahead and hit Edit Profile. And then where you see links, I'm going to hit that. And then you can add a link. You can either add a Facebook link or an external link. Obviously, I want an external link, and I already have the YouTube page for this channel copied. And so I'm going to paste it there. And you can add a name for it. And so that link is added already. We can go back to our profile. We'll hit done at the top here. And then back on the profile page, you can see that link there. If we go ahead and give it a click, it takes us right to the YouTube page. Very easy, very quick, not a whole lot to it. So do you put links in your Instagram bio? Let us know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, we will see you in the next video.